Hello students, today we are going to study about atomic size. Now what happens here in the case of lithium and beryllium, which one will be bigger in size? Atomic number of lithium is 3, atomic number of beryllium it is 4. Now इसमें से कौन सा size बड़ा रहेगा, कौन सा atom बड़ा रहेगा ये हमको देखना है. When you are writing it in your answer, कुछ points है जो हमेशा आपके एग्जाम में लिखना है. The first one is shell number. Regarding the shell number, in both the cases they belong to period 2. Since they belong to period 2, यहाँ पे shell number दोनों के केस में 2 है, that means it is same. Now we have to go for the next factor, that is shielding effect. दोनों के केस में inner electrons, हमेशा shielding effect में हम we see the inner electrons. Now in case of inner electrons दोनों के केस में दो है, because of the same inner electrons, their shielding effect will be same. Now the next important factor that we have to go is for the effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge, check for the proton number. Since the shell number is same, we have to go for effective nuclear charge. दोनों के केस में directly check the proton number. Now in case of beryllium, 4 protons, मतलब इसका nucleus ज़्यादा ताकतवर है compared to lithium which is having only 3 protons. अभी किस एटम का न्यूक्लियस इज पावरफुल, दैट इज बेरिलियम. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पावरफुल नेचर ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ बेरिलियम, वो क्या करेगा, पूरे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के अपने तरफ खींच लेगा. एंड सिंस इट इज अट्रैक्टिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टुवर्ड्स इटसेल्फ, साइज क्या हो जाएगा, छोटा हो जाएगा. नाउ इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज विल बी मोर इन केस ऑफ beryllium, will be more in case of beryllium it will be more. The next is valence electron are tightly held, in which case since the nucleus is very powerful in beryllium, अपना valence electron को कौन खींच के अपनी तरफ रखेगा, that is beryllium. Because of this nature beryllium का size छोटा हो जाता है, and therefore we can say lithium is having more size than compared to beryllium.